so today we're going to show you how to take care of a corroded wheel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
This is an alloy wheel that has the obvious finish on it that is corroded, and that could be from numerous amounts of reasons. If you live close to the beach, if you're always driving in like salt, this right here is a nuisance that needs to be handled, and I'll show you how to do that today. All you need is a 4-inch grinder and one of these grinding and polishing flap discs. Now I'm using a 40 grit wheel. You don't have to use 40, you can use 80. Anything less than 80 though, I mean anything more than 80 is really not going to do the job, especially for high corroded areas like this. And pretty much all you're going to do is polish it, grind it down. I'll show you how to do that right now. Alright, so basically you're just going to go ahead and that's what she looks like. In the end, that's what it'll look like when you get done with the whole wheel. I'm going to do that now, show you what she looks like when I get done. We did here, we taped off everything. I'm going to take the center cap out. I taped it off the best I could, guys. I'm just trying to get this thing looking a lot better than what it used to be. And I'm going to use like an alloy type spray, and we'll check it out when it gets done, see how it matches up with the old alloy. Obviously I'm not going to sand the whole freaking wheel down. I'm just doing the base that has corrosion on it. So let's get that spray on there. Alright, second coat. This is the finished product. I just wanted to show you. This is actually a couple days after I've driven on the wheel. I haven't cleaned it or anything like that. And just like what it looks like, the surface here to here, it looks pretty damn close, and it looks really great. So that's how you fix a corroded wheel. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and post. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel so I can keep showing you some cool tricks like this every single day. If you sell cars, if you buy cars, if you flip cars, or even if you're just trying to make your car that you bought nice. Thanks for watching this video. Have a fantastic day, guys.